Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable battery saver on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and choose the battery option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your device's features. Step 3. Next, scroll down the menu to locate the battery saver option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the battery saver option to enable it. Do you want to set a schedule? Click on Set a Schedule and set it as you like. If everything is okay, you're all set. To disable it, tap on the switch one more time to turn it off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.